Hi guys! In this video, you're gonna learn how to make audio public in Roblox. First, you need to go to www.roblox.com and log in to your Roblox account. And after that, click on the Create page and then click on the Audio tab on the left hand side of the page. Then click on the Create button to upload your audio file. Once your audio file has finished uploading, click on the Settings button for that audio file. Under the Permission section, select Public from the drop-down menu and click on Save button to apply the changes. So that's it. That's how to make audio public in Roblox. If you like this video, please click the subscribe button and click the bell icon to notify you to our next tutorial.